Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye. If you are new, I hope you missed me. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. I believe it was back in April or May of this year, but I am back and I have very fun videos planned for you guys in the next upcoming months, so stay tuned for that. But for today's video, I have a huge personal and PR unboxing for you guys. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Before we get started, if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel down below. Also to turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I promise I will be more consistent in posting. I'm not quite sure which one is the personal one and which one is PR. So I'm going to just open it and then show you guys and then let you know if it's personal or PR. I don't know why there's such a long introduction for that. Anywho, let me go find the box cutter knife and I will be right back. It's matching with my dress. If only my nails matched too, it would be great. Let's start with this package, shall we? The first package is from Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand based in New York. I think maybe 80 or 90% of my necklaces over there are from Ana Luisa. I love their jewelry pieces. So in this box, I got these super pretty studded earrings. It is a little bit hard to get on because I can't see where it's going. Anyways, I got it on. I really like dainty jewelry pieces because I think it just adds a little bit of a feminine touch into any sort of outfit that you wear. This is the first time I got a bracelet. It looks kind of like a watch chain. The reason I don't wear a lot of bracelets is because I don't like how complicated some bracelet clasp, is that how you say the word, tend to be. It's easier to use this hand than the other hand, hopefully. Got it, did it. Got it on. Here is the bracelet and how it looks. Ana Luisa is currently running a huge promotion on their website for Black Friday. It is their biggest sale of the year. Buy one, get one 60% off. So if you are interested, check out the link in my description box below. I have a feeling this is a pair of earrings that I ordered from Etsy. So for Halloween this year, I was going to dress up as Jennifer Check from Jennifer Body. So I found these perfect replica earrings just like Jennifer Check in the movie, but these came so late. They gave me this cute little card. I think I'm gonna keep it. Jennifer Check earrings. I'm gonna do a whole Jennifer Check outfit and post on Instagram. I don't care if it's Halloween or not. I think I'm just gonna go with it. But I have the exact cardigan, no, the exact hoodie to create this outfit. The seller also sent me this cute gift, but I don't know what it is. I think it's just a fridge magnet. It's really cute. Okay, well, if you wanna see how that outfit looks, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Faye Miah, or the link is in the description box below as well. Got it. So I got a travel-sized cleanser. I like this brand because they are a vegan brand and I've been traveling so much. Is TSA approved, I think. Yeah, it's only 2 fluid ounces. So anything under 3 fluid ounces would go through. This is perfect. So, I also got myself a birthday candle. This is my birthday gift to myself because nobody got me gifts. Just kidding. But yeah, I just really like astrology and candles, and this brand found a perfect way to combine two of my favorite things in one product. How awesome is that? Oops. If you put in your birth date, they will send you your own birthday candle. I'm a Taurus. Taurus Sun, Leo Moon, Gemini Venus, Mars in Cancer, Taurus Rising. I don't know if you need to know all of that. Anyway, so it says here, the children of May 12 are adorable and charming. The tarot card that is associated with this date is the Hanged Man. That sounds bad. This is coconut and soy wax blend, hand poured in USA. Wow, it smells so good. Should I keep it in my living room or in my bedroom or in my kitchen? I don't know yet. I'm so afraid of cutting the bag sometimes because I don't know if I would cut into the product. Oh, this is from Dr. Harness. This is a PR package. I don't know if you have heard of this brand before. This mask. So cool. Next package. This one doesn't need a knife. Very easy. Oh, this is so cute. How awesome is that? Oh my god. Camera just shut for some reason. Let's see. This is an outfit. Oh, that's so pretty. I've been looking for matching sets of outfits like this to wear because it just looks like you are put together without so much effort put in, you know? Makeup organizer. Wow, so pretty. You know, like in this spa, they have all of their makeup products and stuff here for you to use or maybe to entice you to buy, but this does remind me of that. I already have a makeup organizer. It's clear right now, but we'll see if this looks better in my bathroom versus the other one. This is a swivel bamboo cosmetic organizer. Let's put that there, I guess. Next is a Target box. Would it be funny if we open the box and then there's this tiny little product? That would be so disappointing. Ooh, how pretty! These are like gold leaves with berries. I feel like it's kind of small. I thought it would be bigger. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video with me. If you do enjoy it, feel free to give me a thumbs up. It's going to encourage me to make more videos for you guys, and it also helped me with the YouTube algorithm. I hope you are having a wonderful November so far. Enjoy your Thanksgiving with your family and friends and loved ones. Until next time, bye!